Okay, let us simplify these expressions. We have started with this one. It is root 20 plus 45. This is root 45. This is a surd. Now to simplify this, you need to look at the number that is inside the radical sign or inside the root. It has factors, okay? If this number has factors, make sure that one of these factors is a square number or a perfect square. Let's remind ourselves, what are square numbers? Square numbers are those numbers obtained, okay, when a whole number multiplies by itself 2 times. For example, we can have 1 multiplying by itself. That is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. We have 16. We have 25. We have 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, among others. Okay, now we are going to simplify this by first writing the expression again. Okay, I have root 20 plus root 45. Okay, now what are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 are 1 times 20, not so? You get 20, but 20 is not a perfect square. Next is 2 times 10, okay? 10 is not a perfect square. Then we have 4 times 5. 4 is a perfect square, so let me take these two. 4 and 5. When I multiply 4 and 5, I get 20. So we are going to replace 20 by 4 times 5 plus factors of 45. We have 45 times 1, okay? 45 times 1. We have 3 times 15, okay? Then we have 5 times 9. You find that 5 times 9 will be the best values to substitute because 9 is a square number. So I will have 9 times 5 here. Okay, now let us split this. We have root 4 times root 5 plus root 9 times root 5. Okay, the square root of 4 is 2, but we can't get the square root of 5. We shall get a number that is endless. It is an irrational number, so it's better you leave it as a surd under a root, that is root 5. Okay, plus the square root of 9 is 3. And then you put root 5. You find that this side and this side are the same. So these are like surds. Let us add the scalars. That is 2 plus 3 root 5. And the answer is 5 root 5. Okay, that is our answer. We have the second one. It is 3 root 8 minus root 18. Okay, now this one here in our solution, we have solution. We have 3 root 8 minus root 18. Okay, now what are the factors of 8? Factors of 8, we have 1 times 8. Okay, then we have 2 times 4. And 4 is a perfect square, or it is a square number. So let me take 2 and 4. So here we shall have 3 root 4 times 2. Okay, take away. Factors of 18. We have 1 times 18 and also 2 times 9. We also have 3 times 6, but because we shall take 2 and 9, since none of the other ones is a perfect square. So we take 2 and 9. So we shall have root 9 times 2. Okay, so this is going to be 3 times root 4 times root 2 minus root 9 times root 2 after splitting. So we shall have 3 times the square root of 4 is 2, then root 2 minus the square root of 9 is 3 times root 2, that is root 2. This is 3 times 2, 6 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Then let us subtract these scalars because they are like surds. So I will have 6 minus 3 root 2, and the answer is 3 root 2. Okay, so we have the third one. It is root 50 plus root 18 minus root 8. So root 50 plus root 18 minus root 8. We start with 50. Factors of 50, we have 1, this is 50. We have 1 times 50, okay, we get 50. Then we have 2 times 25, we get 50. Now because 25 is a square number, let me go with these ones, okay? So I will have root 25 times 2 plus root 18. We said that this is the same as 9 times 2, okay? Minus root 8 is the same as 4 times 2, okay? So let us split. We have root 25 multiplied by root 2 plus root 9 multiplied by root 2 minus root 4 multiplied by root 2, okay? Root 25 is 5 root 2 plus square root of 9 is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, okay? So this is equal to, you add these ones here and subtract. So I will have, since root 2 is common throughout, so I will have 5 plus 3 minus 2, everything by root 2, okay? 5 plus 3, you get 8. Take away 2, you have 6 root 2, and that is our answer. Now we have the fourth one. It is 2 root 27 plus 5 root 3 minus root 75. This is equal to, what are the factors of 27? 27, 1 times 27, you get 27, not so? Then 3 times 9, you get 27. Now because 9 is a square number, I'll take 3 and 9. So this is going to be 2 root 9 times 3, okay, plus 5 root 3. Root 3 is already simplified, so you write it the way it is, that is 5 root 3 minus, what are the factors of 75? 75, you have 1 times 75, then we have 3 times 25. So I'm going to take this one here. I will have root 25 times 3. Now let us split. This is going to be 2 times root 9 times root 3. Then plus 5 root 3 minus root 25 times root 3. Okay, so this is going to be 2 times the square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by root 3 plus 5 root 3 minus, this is 5 root 3. Okay, now 5 root 3 and 5 root 3 are going to disappear. Okay, because this is positive and this is negative, so you cross them out. I remain with 2 times 3, which is 6, then root 3, and that is our answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more and more of these tutorials.